Hello, my name is Daniel Felix and I'm going to show you how to install Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP for short, on your Server 2008. So in Server 2008 you want to click Start, then go to Server Manager, next click Roles, then Add Roles, then click Next. Check DHCP server, click next, then next again. You can see here that the IP address for the server is displayed. Then click next. Here you will see the parent domain name, then your preferred DNS server IP address should be the same as your server address. Click on validate to make sure that it is valid and click next. Leave wins is not required and click next. Now you will see DHCP scopes, but there will be nothing there at first because you need to add it manually. So click add to create a scope, enter scope name. I will name mine server scope. Your starting IP address will be anything you want. I'll set mine at 192.168.0.10 and the ending IP address will be .254. Subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. Leaving the default gateway blank, and make sure that activate the scope is checked. Click OK and then click on your server scope and it should show the information that you just entered. Now click next. Click disable IP version 6 since it is only IP version 4 this video is being done. Then click next. Leave use current credentials as is. Click next. Here you'll see a summary of what was done. Then click install. For time I will pause the video. As you can see, DHCP was successfully installed. Now click close and restart the machine. Now that the machine has been restarted, go to start, then administrative tools, DHCP, expand the server PC's name, which would have the domain name connected to it. Then go to IP version 4. Click on the scope. Then go to address pool. It will show the range of the IP addresses that was set. Then address leases, which would be empty for now since no machines has been leased an IP address. Now I will switch over to Windows 7, which is the client machine. You click on Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Right click on Local Area Connection. Go to Properties. Select IP version 4 and click on Properties. click the option to obtain an IP address automatically, then obtain a DNS server address automatically, then click OK, click close. To make sure that an IP address has been given, go to status, then details. As you can see, it has received a different IP address which has been assigned. Now I'll go to command prompt and enter ipconfig to verify that an IP address was definitely assigned. So click start, type cmd, and type ipconfig. And you can see the IP address from Windows 7. And you can click close, and that's it. That concludes the entire video on DHCP.